Hello guys, welcome to Psychology of Freedom. So, very short lang yung topic natin ngayon kasi it's all about loving yourself. So, naririnig kasi natin to madalas, 'di ba? You should love yourself a little bit more, magtira ka para sa sarili mo, yung mga ganyang advice. Pero, ang problema, vague siya, hindi siya ganun kaklaro. Paano ba talagang gagawin natin? 'Di ba? Hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung ibig sabihin when you say love yourself. So, ito ba yung mag indulge tayo sa sarili natin? Mag-binge ba tayo sa Netflix? Or magsha-shopping? Or magpapa-pedicure? Or kakain sa mga ano, mamahaling restaurant halimbawa? Although those things can be part of it, pero most of the time, superficial lang yung mga yon. So what does it really mean pag sinabi mong love yourself? Alam ba talaga natin how to love ourselves? So I guess most of us hindi talaga alam kung anong ibig sabihin nun, 'di ba? So what does it truly mean to love yourself? When you say love yourself, ibig sabihin meron kang compassion para sa sarili mo. So if sa tingin mo nagkamali ka or nakagawa ka ng masama or yeah, you did something stupid, you don't beat yourself up for the whole week. 'Di ba? Hindi mo binababad yung sarili mo sa shame and guilt. No, what you say to yourself is, ito yung level ng consciousness ko, ito yung stage ng healing ko, and ng growth ko, and I honor it. I accept it. So you be the first one to give yourself compassion. Hindi kasi natin pwedeng i-bypass, 'di ba, yung journey natin thinking na dapat hindi na tayo trigger or hindi na tayo reactive. Dapat yung vibes, mas mataas na yung vibrational energy natin, di ba? Or hindi na tayo nagpo-procrastinate. We should be doing better. Pero hindi. It's unreasonable to expect these things sa sarili natin kasi we're humans. And part of loving ourselves is accepting our humanity and limitation. Di ba? Hindi pwedeng isipin natin na wala tayong limitation kasi that's narcissism on our part. Di ba? And also, part of evolving naman talaga is falling and tripping back to your old habits, old way of reacting, old way of doing things, old way of managing pain. Kasi oftentimes itong mga to only signifies na you are ready for the next level of your consciousness and growth. 'Di ba? Pain always precedes growth. Magkakambal yan. 'Di ba? So, we can only move forward if we can accept what is. Ibig sabihin, yung present moment, yung present you, the you in the now, not the you in the future na mas healed sa mga past trauma or the you na mas maraming wisdom, but the you in the present moment. You fully accept yourself as you are in the now. So, unconditional acceptance of your present reality. Nagsistruggle lang naman tayo when we cannot accept our present reality. Masyado tayong fixated dun sa mga thoughts na I should be this, I should be that, I shouldn't be like this, something like that. So, obsessed tayo sa idea na dapat minamanifest na natin yung ideal self natin. Hindi yung present moment self na still growing, still figuring things out, we're still tripping, 'di ba? Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng inner conflict, inner chaos. We're not at peace with ourselves and magre-reflect yon sa outside world. So, you can keep resisting and fighting yourself back, or you can accept the isness of your reality, your present moment, your present reality. Yeah, so that's what we should do. Be the first one to give ourselves compassion, 'di ba? Accept na may limitations tayo as humans. Lagi ko 'yung sinasabi, 'di ba? And um, unconditional acceptance of yourself in the now. So let me give you a specific example. Halimbawa, ayaw mong makita yung isang tao kasi natitrigger ka, natitrigger yung old wounds mo. That's okay. Set your boundaries. Walang shame and guilt dyan kasi yan yung level ng healing mo eh. You cannot expect yourself to be other than that. Diba? Nandiyan ka na level. Some of your past wounds and hurts are not healed yet. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, you need to do more healing, di ba? And give yourself a safe space to do that. Okay lang na mag-set ng boundaries with things na sa tingin mo hindi pa kayang i-stomach ng consciousness mo, di ba? Ah, ganyan siya nagwo-work eh, di ba? Yung mga unhealed pain and trauma natin mag-spill out talaga, especially when you least expect it. And even if you've already done a lot of inner work, ganun siya talaga nagwo-work. So whether setting boundaries man yan, or nagalit ka, or nag-procrastinate ka, sumigaw ka, nag-rage ka, okay lang yan kasi hindi ka pa completely healed. Ang healing process kasi is walang perfect destination, 'di ba? Hindi siya yung tipong nag-attend ka ng 8 sessions of therapy, psychotherapy, for example, and masasabi mo, healed na ako. Hindi na ako matitrigger, hindi na ako magsa-self-destruct. I'll be my ideal self na. No, that's a myth. 'Di ba? The truth is, we will never stop healing from our past trauma. And we never stop deconstructing our minds from our past conditioning. It's a never-ending journey. And yung sinasabi ko nga, di ba, hindi siya, hindi siya, hindi siya bypassable, kumbaga. So, so loving yourself doesn't really mean na i-indulge natin yung sarili natin, or sarili lang natin yung iisipin natin, or kukonsintihin natin yung sarili natin. Hindi. Ibig sabihin uh, ng loving yourself is yung tatlo, di ba? Giving yourself compassion, embracing your humanness, di ba? And fully accepting ourselves in the present moment, whatever that looks like, di ba? So unconditional nga, di ba? Unconditional acceptance of yourself. That's the only way we can move forward. And the good thing is, nagtatranslate siya sa external world natin. So pag may compassion ka sa sarili mo, you'll also have compassion for other people when they make mistakes. If you embrace your humanity, may embrace mo din yung humanity ng ibang tao, 'di ba? Being human, 'di ba? And pag meron kang unconditional acceptance sa sarili mo in the present, magiging unconditional din yung acceptance mo sa ibang tao. So, ayan, how we are in the outside world is really a mere reflection of our internal world. So, kailangan mas bigyan natin ng attention yung internal landscape natin. Have to fix that first. So, ayan, that's what it means to love yourself. 'Di ba? I'll be discussing more of that in the future. Pero for now, ito muna. So again, thank you so much for listening and watching, and see you sa next video.